The number of Americans who have lost their jobs climbs to more than 30 million after another 3.8 million signed on in the past week. President Trump says China will be held accountable for the pandemic as soon as US intelligence reports confirm what went wrong.
They could have stopped it. They are a very brilliant nation, scientifically and otherwise. It got loose, let's say, and they could have capped it. They could have stopped it, but they didn't.
South Africa eases one of the world's most severe lockdowns. We report on how the country has kept its death rate significantly low. And he saw them fly in anger. Now on his 100th birthday, Captain or Colonel Tom saw them fly in celebration. The pandemic is continuing to have a dramatic impact on the world's health and economic prospects. Worldwide, there have now been more than 230,000 coronavirus deaths and over 3.2 million infections. Britain recorded another 674 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the total number in care homes and hospitals to 26,771. That is the third highest in Europe. The Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, wouldn't give a date for the country's lockdown to end or indeed be eased, but he did say there would be a menu of options sometime next week. Elsewhere, there is more grim economic news from the United States, where nearly 4 million more people registered for unemployment claims last week. And the reduced demands for energy caused by the pandemic will lead to a decline of almost 8% of C02 emissions, which would be the largest decrease ever recorded.
US President Donald Trump says he's seen evidence that suggests coronavirus originated in a Chinese laboratory. His claim, made in a press briefing overnight, contradicts a statement by his country's own intelligence agencies, which say that Covid-19 was not man-made. China has rejected the laboratory theory and criticised the US response to the pandemic.